Hi guys, I hope everybody's good. We miss you so much. Jesse and I wanted to say hi to you, and we thought that we would read you a story. We're outside since it's such a beautiful day, so make sure that you guys go outside as much as you can too. Okay, we are going to read this very funny story. It's called There's a Bird on Your Head, and you guys all know we love Mo Willems so much, so we are going to read this today.
The birds. Piggy, is there something on my head? I'm supposed to say yes.
Yes! There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are 2 birds on your head.
What are 2 birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love.
They're lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know that they're lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why are 2 birds making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
One, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head?
And 2 birds and a nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else.
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked.
Bye-bye.
Now there are only birds on my head. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. The end. Well, guys, we are going to plan a lot of different things for you to see, and a lot of different books and all kinds of messages that we can send to you while we are home and while you are home. And hopefully we will be seeing you guys in person really, really soon. Mwah, mwah.